Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where to catch the Lumina Stinger in Fish Eat Roblox. So the Lumina Stinger is one of the most beautiful and elusive legendary fish in Fish Eat Roblox. And here I'm going to show you everything you need to know to successfully hook this legendary stinger. So first, for the locations, I got the stinger in the Esoteric Depths or the Esoteric Islands. So first, you can just head down to the Esoteric Depths. Let's just go down in here. And don't forget that you need to pay for 400 coins to go down to the Esoteric Depth. Okay, so I've already down here, and for the road that I use the steampunk road using the midnight bait. So you can get the Luminous Stinger here because it's usually found in deep dark waters of Luminous Cavern. So here I use this fishing spot. So just try your luck to get the stinger here. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.